Hello everyone, welcome to week 5, Listen and Do, the Honey Bear. To complete the Honey Bear Listen and Do activity, you will need your Honey Bear worksheet from your week 5 literacy pack, a pencil, one red crayon or colouring pencil, one blue crayon or colouring pencil, one green crayon or colouring pencil, and one yellow crayon or colouring pencil. You can pause the video if you need to go and collect your things. I will say each instruction twice. After you hear the instruction for the second time, pause the video so you have time to complete the task. I will show you a picture of my completed drawing at the end of the video to see if we have done the same. Let's get started. Instruction number 1. Write your name beside the honey pot. Write your name beside the honey pot. Instruction number 2. Colour the bear's trousers blue. Colour the bear's trousers blue. Instruction number 3. Put a circle around the bee who wants to share the bear's honey. Put a circle around the bee who wants to share the bear's honey. Instruction number 4. Colour the bear's body yellow. Colour the bear's body yellow. Instruction number 5. Draw another 2 bees who also want to share the honey. Draw another 2 bees who also want to share the honey. Instruction number 6. Colour the honey pot green. Colour the honey pot green. Instruction number 7. Find some honey which has spilt on the ground and put a line under it. Find some honey which has spilt on the ground and put a line under it. Instruction number 8. Think of one other animal which might like to share the bear's honey and draw it in the picture too. Think of one other animal which might like to share the bear's honey and draw it in the picture too. Instruction number 9. Colour the handle of the spoon red. Colour the handle of the spoon red. Instruction number 10, the last instruction. If you think that the bear has a pocket on his trousers, put a large circle right around the picture. But if you think he doesn't, just put a line under your name. If you think that the bear has a pocket on his trousers, put a large circle right around the picture. But if you think he doesn't, just put a line under your name. Okay, so here is a picture of my completed Listen and Do Honey Bear activity. Does yours look similar to mine? Have a look at your picture and have a look at my picture and see if they look similar. If they are a wee bit different, that's okay. We're going to go back over the instructions, picking out the keywords from each instruction. So the first instruction was to write your name beside the honey pot. The keyword there is beside. And as you can see, I have wrote my name right beside the honey pot. The second instruction was to colour the bear's trousers blue. The keywords there are trousers and blue. The third instruction was to put a circle around the bee who wants to share the bear's honey. And there was only one bee in the picture, and I have put a circle right around that bee as that bee wants to share the bear's honey. The fourth instruction was to colour the bear's body yellow. So the keywords in that instruction are body and yellow. So I have coloured the bear's head, the bear's body, his arms and his legs yellow. The fifth instruction was to draw another 2 bees who also want to share the honey. So the keywords there are draw, 2 and bees. So I have used my pencil to draw in another 2 bees, making it a total of 3 bees now in the picture. The sixth instruction was to colour the honey pot green. So I have used my green crayon and I have coloured the honey pot green. The seventh instruction was to find some honey which has spilt on the ground and put a line under it. So the bear has spilt some honey on the ground and the spilt honey is down here beside the honey pot, and I have put a line underneath the honey. The eighth instruction was to think of one other animal which might like to share the bear's honey and draw it in the picture too. So the keywords there are one animal. So one animal that would like to share the bear's honey and draw it anywhere in the picture. So I have decided to draw a dog down here beside the spilt honey, as we know that dogs like to share any sort of food. So I thought that the dog would be sitting waiting to share some of the bear's honey. The ninth instruction was to colour the handle of the spoon red. So I have used my red crayon to colour the handle of the spoon that is sticking out of the honey pot. And the 10th instruction, the last instruction, was one instruction where it says, if you think. So if you think that the bear has a pocket on his trousers, put a large circle right around the picture. So if you can see a pocket on the bear's blue trousers, like so, you must put a circle right around the picture. But if you think he doesn't have a pocket on his trousers, or you can't see a pocket on his trousers, the instruction was to put a line under your name. Well done, P2 and P3. You have completed your final listen and do activity, the honey bear.